Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a glass screen protector that's used for your Nintendo Switch. So you can see the one that we got right here is from this brand, and the bottom right here they do probably get some of the specs and features on here. And you can see in the back right here they also show you guys how to install it. But first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so once you guys open it up, you can see there's a lot of stuff inside, but let's take it all out. So first thing inside right here, they probably got the scraper option that's used to apply on the actual screen protector. So pretty much when you guys put on the glass screen protector, you just want to use this to actually apply it on and push it down. Next to right here, they probably got some dry wipes and wet wipes. So if you guys take it out, they basically probably got 3 of each, 3 wet wipes and 3 dry wipes. And they also probably got these stickers that's used to remove any dust before you guys apply it on. And last but not least, right here we do have the glass screen protector. You can see they probably got 3 of them, and all 3 of them are the same. So I'm going to take out one of them to show you guys what she looks like. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what it looks like. So you see the way how they designed the actual screen protector is supposed to fit your Switch perfectly. And if you guys ever forget about how to actually apply it on, you guys can refer to the package right here. So when you guys apply it on, if you guys can see on the bottom right here, this part right here should be on the bottom. And the way how I know is by looking at the bottom part here and right here. But pretty much first thing I want to do is use the wet wipe to wipe it down. Then you guys want to use a dry wipe to actually wipe it. Once you guys do that, it's can put on the screen protector. You can also use the scraper option to apply it on if you guys want more help. But the whole setup process and everything shouldn't be too hard. So I'm actually show you guys how to do it, and then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the product. So I'm actually show you guys how to apply it on. So first thing I want to do is to get the wet wipe to wipe it down first to make sure it's clean. So here's wet wipe. Let's wipe it down. Alright, so that's pretty good. Once you guys do that, you guys want to use a dry wipe to wipe it down. So here's a dry wipe. Alright, so that's pretty good. Next up, if you guys need to, you can definitely use a dust absorber tape. So you guys can use it to stick off any dust, if there is any on the screen. If you see the tape that's on here is actually really strong. So it definitely will help you guys suck up any of the dust if there is any or any here or whatever. Alright, so that should be good. Next thing you guys want to do is take off this part right here and just stick it on. So it fits one way like this. Once you guys got it right, then you can let go. And you can let it do its own thing. So once you reach the point where it doesn't stick by itself, you guys can definitely use it to actually scrape it down. But you see right here, it doesn't have any problem besides the side. So you definitely use this to actually push it down. It doesn't fix any part that still has a little bit bubbles on the side. But once you guys put it on, here is basically what the product looks like. Eventually you could barely even notice the actual product is on. But once you guys do apply it on, if you guys put your fingerprints on here, I can still see a little bit of the fingerprint that's on here, which is totally fine. I don't think that's an issue for me. But if that is an issue for you guys because they mentioned how it's anti-fingerprint, then that is something to kind of consider. Just the fact of having a glass screen protector is actually really helpful. So that way it prevents any kind of damage, scratches, or whatever. Let's turn it on and test it out to show you guys what it actually looks like and how well it works afterward. Alright, so you see everything on here works perfectly fine, and the actual quality on here is still fine as well. So you can see when you guys touch the screen, it's still responsive. So even with the glass protector on, it still works fine. So you can see the quality and everything on here, nothing is affected. Even after you guys apply the glass protector on. So the product definitely works pretty well. And it's super easy for you guys to apply it on if you can see. Welcome back guys. So now it's a quick test of the product, and definitely see if it does work, and it works quite well. So you can see the whole setup process and everything didn't take that long. It's actually pretty easy. If you guys follow all the instructions correctly, they should be fine. And the cool thing about this set is the fact that since they probably guys 3 of them, at least you guys always have a backup one just in case if the first one doesn't go well. But you see when you guys apply it on, it actually works pretty well, and it is still responsive when you guys actually use it, just like what they mentioned. So when you guys do apply this on, it will definitely give you guys a lot more protection on top of the screen, so that way you guys won't crack it, scratch it, or anything else. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we go unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality glass screen protector for your Nintendo Switch, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.